Hey guys, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change a fuser maintenance kit on the new Xerox VersaLink B625. Alright, to change the fuser on the B625, you're going to go to the rear of the machine, and on the rear door there's a C, so you can't miss it, and pull open. Takes a little bit, it's magnetic. And when you swing it open, be careful not to let it drop and bounce. There's no safety catches on these doors. Inside here are two little orange handles, and those handles swing counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, maybe a little more, and those will unlatch your fuser. Now there's a sticker with a warning here to remind you, but I'm going to remind you too, fusers are hot. Be very careful not to burn yourself. You'll go in with your hand, stick your fingers down into the black handle, and pull straight out on that fuser. It'll pop out and come straight out the back, just like that. Very simple. Now, you go back in, you can take your fuser, you'll slide that fuser back into its cavity and set it on that shelf inside. You give it a good firm push into place, and then you'll turn those two orange handles clockwise back until they are flush sideways with the bottom. And then you'll close that rear door, and then you're done. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the printing workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.